nice and close. I have some wax. I'm gonna start in the middle, and I made these little strips out of a t-shirt. So if you ever run out of wax strips, you can use a cotton t-shirt. So here we go, before that cools or dries. So just wanna apply the wax in the same direction, and then I have the wax under. I'm nervous for this part. When I used to get my eyebrows waxed, I used to dread the bottom part hurt so much. So here we go. So I kind of lift like that, and it helps me get underneath. Okay, I got this. You know what? I'm more afraid of it being messed up than me actually feeling the pain. So you want to pull your skin taut. Breathe in, breathe out. A lot of hair. Nice. Okay. So there's like a few stragglers, but pretty good. And I've just been using the end of my spoolie because it's really tiny, and I ran out of wax wooden sticks, so I gotta make it work. And I've just been using my mirror to see up close, so I'm just gonna do that right now. And I have a wax pot. I use GG wax. When I'm done and I wipe this all off, I usually brush my eyebrows up like that and just cut any long hairs. So yeah, pretty good. And I'm using the same strip. I just fold over wherever the wax is, and since it's a t-shirt, it's really stretchy. It's great stuff. Innovative. I'm scared for this eyebrow, because this eyebrow grows in like a pretty good line, but this one, if you can see, it's hard to see the shape, so yeah, go for it. I'm gonna use a little strip. Release it. Pull the skin. Breathe in. Whoa. This eyebrow is so much better. It has like the nicest arch, and this eyebrow is just like a line. So this is my good side. Yeah, and just a few hairs underneath to tweeze. I love looking at the hair. Alright, I'm gonna start. Okay. After I wipe all this makeup off and tweeze, and yeah, I'll show you guys the final results. Guys, so I just wanted to come back and show you the final results. So I just tweezed the extra hairs, I brushed just this portion up and trimmed them down, and I'm pretty happy with my cleanup until I get them threaded again. So if you want to do your brows at home, definitely follow my tutorial and you will get pretty good results. And yes, this one is definitely my favorite brow. This has like no arch. But I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.